Welcome friends. I am Urmila Gurukude. In our 4th standard class, we are talking about Egyptian paintings. And if you have more time, we are also trying to do an activity related to how to make a keychain. Okay, it's depend on time now. Let's talk about the Egyptian art and then the related activity with these Egyptian paintings. Understand? There are some qualities of that Egyptian art. So, what are they? Let's read the page. Friends, look at this page number 33 and unit number 6. Introduction to Egyptian paintings. Egyptian means what? Related to Egypt. Do you wish to go back in time to the land of pyramids and have a look at their art? While it may be impossible to time travel, so sorry, it is not possible to time travel, means to go back in the past times. It is not possible for us, already. For that, how to understand the past period, ancient period, their culture, their livings? How can we understand? We can understand, we can learn more about that culture because of some movements, some art pieces, and that art helps us how that people are living in that time. We uses their paintings or all the sculptures like pyramids. We can understand what is the culture type are happening that time in Egypt country. We can understand through these pyramids and their paintings too. Some articles are also having with us. Here are we have only pictures. Okay, this one picture and second picture, two pictures we have here. So let's look at these paintings and what we learned about Egyptians and their art. The paintings found in Egyptian tombs were connected to the idea of life after death. So these paintings tells the conditions after our death. After our death, there will be a new life. They believe like that. All the Egyptian people believe like that. The life is not stop at all. It continuously going on after death too. But there is a difference between the living and non-living case only. But they do not keep in their mind that life is stop. Understand? That's why they built very, very big pyramids in their land. And some pictures are also there. Okay. Now let's see the characteristics of Egyptian paintings. Texts and symbols always accompanied the painting. Accompanied means connected, showing in their paintings that some text and symbols. Texts are like that. Here we see in here. All these are texts using some symbols. They are want to write any message there, and these are all figures. There was no sense of depth. So flat portion it is, no depth. Foreground, middle ground, background, all that type of grounds we cannot see in here. We have only a plain portion there. Understand? That is no depth. Okay. Size of figures indicated only social status. Sizes of figures means this figure is very, very big and these figures are very small. Shows that these figures shows that these man or woman was an important person in that society. Maybe a king or any a nice upper post, or these are all subjects only of that king in that country. So size indicates the common people and the head people, treating them as a common people. We can understand these sizes indicates like that. These paintings show face, waist and limbs in side view, but eyes and shoulders in front view. We see eyes and shoulders front. We can see them clearly, but many times the face having a side view only, or waist also having the side view. Face, waist and limbs, that these the body parts we seen mostly in the side view, and eyes and shoulders we seen in the front view. So two types of views and different types of parts they use. That is not the natural thing. These characteristics is not connected or similar to the natural action, but their art is like that only. Egyptian paintings show front and side view of the animal or person in the same figure. Likewise, they use animal figure also in that the same manner. Front and side view together gives a detailed view of that body part. In conclusion, we can say that one body, maybe it animal or a person, a whole body shows all the body parts but two different views. These are some characteristics of Egyptian paintings. Okay, so turn the page. Page number 34. Observe the Egyptian and cave paintings given below and answer the questions. Egyptian painting and cave painting. So this cave painting is connected with the Adivasi people. We know that it is in our country or in Australian too, and many other countries we have here. We see that type of paintings, cave paintings, and Egyptian painting is particularly seen in the Egypt only. Okay, these two pictures we have, Egyptian painting and cave paintings. Which view of the human figures do you observe? So which view, inside view or front view? Just we learnt about the views, two types of views we seen in Egyptian paintings, and simply one type of view seen in the cave painting. The side view is clearly side view, or front view is clearly shows the front view. Like this we seen in this type of cave painting, or in some figures we seen two views too. You can give the answer like that. Which activities are happening in the paintings? Which activities are happening in the painting? Daily life needed activities are there. Many activities are collected in one picture only. Here also we seen battle is going on. The two parties are there. We think like that. Some animals also helps to do the fighting. Two country peoples are there. Two armies we can see here. Like this you can describe this picture, and when we see this picture we can understand many animals and birds we seen there. Then the big figure indicates a main person related to that country, and some women are there, flowers in their hand and something in the other hand. They are trying to present a nice activity in front of that. You can say he is a king, like this. So some nice activity is going on in that place only. We can understand from this picture. We have here water portion, and this is the land only, and this inner portion shows any particular big hall, we can understand like this. Understand? Three types of places we seen in one picture only. You can describe that picture like that. Understand? So write the related points. It is your own duty. Take help of your elder persons in your home. That is depend on you, or you can write the answers in your own words only. So don't think it is right or wrong. Simply what you understand. I understand like this. You understand another points too. So no problem. The things are different, or the thinking is different. That doesn't matter. Simply try to write down the description. Come to the next page 35. Draw an Egyptian portrait by applying the characteristics of Egyptian paintings. Here are we have to follow 3 steps, and after that we will make like this. On the face outline given below, sketch the special features as shown in the image. We have to copy that image only. After seeing that, observing that image, try to complete this outline. First, darken the outline using black sketch pen. After that, use black sketch pen. Add ornamentation to the portrait, and then color it using oil pastel. Then some ornaments are there, we have to add them and complete it with coloring. Okay, well, try to do this activity. So first of all, we use pencil to find out the clear activity outline, sorry, in this way. We see here one straight line, a very big eye, very long big eye here. We see eyeball, eye is very flat. The mouth, nose already drawn here. One bended portion like this. These are all hairs. Then the ear is in between the eye and nose. Mostly it is very upper side. No problem. Copy it as it is. Up to the nose. Okay, well, get it downside. Compare all the parts. Okay, well, use now black sketch pen. Turning to the second sketch, step. So we can also draw this. I am using pencil first, and after that this sketch pen. This is the wrong line, I think. So do it patiently. No need of this line. Friends, here we have some light lines, small light lines. So I am giving light yellow first near the lines, and then having some little pressure, trying to apply this dark color. Okay, now this find out the skin color. Very light. We don't get an exact shade in our box. So I am trying to combine the two shades here. Try to keep the balance pressure. On our hand. Then green. Usually this orange. And now black lines, need it. Brown lines, no black. And the last one. This point. Don't forget to go this 2 line. Okay, no problem. Try to move on. light is showing like that. Very good. Look at this picture. Try to draw as similar as possible and try to color it as similar as possible. Okay, give your time there. In this way we will stop here today, and we will meet with the next activity in the next period. Understand? Till then, good day, goodbye, and take care.